Coolest thing I've learned so far. Hi everybody, this is Sam with Python Basics. So this is another absolutely awesome thing that I've learned while we've been messing around with our live streams. So we were working on something the other day, and we were taking in input, and then we were going to do a range. But check this out. So in print I, right? So I do F9. I print 5. I go 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. Now, I had no idea this was even possible. One of our subscribers and viewers goes, hey, can't we just put it in? I've never seen this anywhere else. Let's comment this out so it doesn't look like I accidentally grab it. But watch this. You can literally nest an input inside of a range function. Now, it does not work if you need to recall that variable at a later time. But if you just need an input and to be able to grab something from the user, you can actually nest it inside the range function. I've never seen anybody else do this. I doubt we're the only ones that have figured this out, but I have a very strong feeling that this is the only video on YouTube for Python for something like this. There may be some little crooks somewhere on the internet, a Reddit post, something like that, a stacks somewhere. But I just thought this was very interesting, and these are the things that we stumble across, either discover or rediscover. So just want to make sure that everyone is aware of the live streams that we're doing pretty much every day, because we've gotten into a pretty good routine of doing these, and the community is growing. And what I truly enjoy the most is the amount of support that we're giving everyone. So if you're not on the Discord server down below, make sure you're joining that, and you're getting the help that you need and deserve. But as always, everyone, thank you so much for watching. Please drop any comments, questions, video requests. Hit that like button, subscribe button, notification bell, and as always, thank you everyone for watching, and we'll see you next time. Bye.
Hey guys, thanks for joining us today. I hope you really enjoyed today's video. And if you haven't, check out this video right here or this one right down here. And most important, make sure you're hitting this subscribe button and the notification bell. Thanks again for joining us, and we hope to see you next time. Bye guys.